student, I am going to describe one question for practice question. It's a practice question for board examination for standard 12 as well as 10. It's a common for all. This is one question, but if you understand properly through viewing this, you will able to describe many questions related to this one. The basic pattern of how to answer you will learn. Okay, so try to understand what the question is. The question is that in an experiment with pea plant, one tall plant was crossed with one dwarf plant. Okay, one plant is tall, heterozygous tall is given, and homozygous dwarf is given. The resultant progeny obtained were 50%, in one question 50% tall, 50% tall, and 50% again, 50% is dwarf. Okay, so 50% tall, 50% dwarf were produced. What could be the genotype of parent plants is required by you. Okay, you have to find out the genotype. You know that phenotype is the morphologically appearing features is called phenotype, like tall, dwarf, purple, white. These all are phenotype. But what is genetic constitution? Capital P, small p, capital T, small t, capital R, small r. These all are, or small r, or capital R. These are called genotype. Or you must know that whatever the genotype we have, our phenotype is decided by that. When the genotype unfolds, it interacts with the environment through protein synthesis, through central dogma. It gives in the form of protein synthesis and form the shape and form and function. Okay, that is correct. So your question is that 4 options are given in a question. That one option is capital T, small t, one parent, capital T, small t, another is the heterozygous, both the parents. Capital T, small t, one is homozygous tall, another is homozygous dwarf. C is capital T, small t, heterozygous tall and homozygous dwarf. So your right answer is that one, according to this question. C. D option is small t, both the parents. If both the parents are small t, how can you expect the capital T there, the tall figure? No. So this one is rejected first. Second is capital T, small t. At least capital T, one parent provides one capital T, so all will be the tall. So in this way, this one is also rejected. Now 2 are left. Our question is that 50%. So if I take it, capital T, small t, if you are 12 students, you know that the result of test cross is 50% dominant and 50% recessive. You have already done this one. But if you are a student of standard 10, you try to find out. Capital T, small t is the genotype. And here small t, I have taken this option. Capital T, small t, and a small t. One parent having this, another parent having this. I have written this. So these parents, the female parents, produces capital T type of gametes and a small t type of law of segregation state that in parental generation 2 factors present, but in gamete formation one they separate and only one go into the gamete. That is the law of segregation. So following law of segregation, gametes are pure for the traits, they contain one factor. So capital T, one gametes, a small t, another gamete. In female, A. And in male, again produces 2 type of, one single type of gametes, but 2 in number, a small t. Okay, it has no capital T, so it cannot be. So a small t. So if this is a small t of the pollen male gametes, and this egg fusion, the capital T small t type of genotype given, which give rise tall, capital T makes tall phenotype. And if a small t fused together, then it provides a small t combination, no capital T, so it will be 2R. So out of two progeny are produced. Out of two, one is tall, and out of two, one is tall. So out of two, one is tall. If you multiply with 100, you get 50%. So 50% tall, 50% dwarf. Your question is here. But if I am changing the question, again I am changing this question indifferently. Now, if the question asks that the obtained were 75% tall and 25% dwarf, what will be the expected genotype of the project? The question is changed. It's a new question for you. Now, if we select this type of, your answer will be this one. Heterozygous, both heterozygous. So capital T, small t. Both the gametes. Through Punnett square you can also explain. Capital T gametes, small t gametes, capital T gametes, small t gametes. Capital T, small t, capital T, small t. Both the gametes are given. Now probability capital T, make it tall. Capital T, small t, make it capital T, small t. T is there tall. A small, again capital T, small t, capital T, small t, tall. And small t, tall. So here, when we find out the phenotype, the tall, capital T, tall, three talls. So three talls are there. 3 out of 4 is tall, that is 75%. And 1 out of 4, 1 by 4 is dwarf. So 1 by 4 into 100 you cut it, 25. It means 25% will be dwarf. So by just applying your sense, question may be changed and you will get the different answer. So what's the question is? Carefully understand the question and then answer. Any type of Mendel's related question. Here law of dominance you can explain, law of segregation. Here law of segregation, according to law of segregation, gametes are separated. Only one enters into the gamete. Parental condition, both factor present. This is known as law of segregation. In case of heterozygous condition, one expresses masking the other is known as dominant factor, and this law is known as law of dominant. So law of dominant, law of segregation. Both are explained from monohybrid cross. What do you mean by monohybrid cross? When one pair of contrasting traits, tall and dwarf, is considered during the cross is said to be monohybrid. Okay? So I think you have got your answer. In case any problem, you can communicate through this biodiesel you all are familiar with and also associated with Future Star coaching classes. Amit sir, can you introduce you?
So hello everyone, this is Amit Kumar Thakur. I will teach you mathematics and biology will Harinam sir will teach biology. So you can join our channel also, that is Future Star coaching classes. You can type on YouTube Future Stars coaching classes, and from there you can join us and you can study mathematics by me. And there are so many teachers. There are different teachers of different subjects, so they will help you in your doubts. And best of luck for the board exams. Especially we are active for the board exams. Those who are having the doubts and those who want to join our crash course, they can. So you can search on the this one, YouTube Future Stars coaching classes. So the spelling is Future Stars, not a star, stars coaching classes. Okay, you can write down this and now you can join with us. Thank you all of you. Over to Harinam sir.
Okay, thank you students. Get benefit from Amit sir. He is very expert in mathematics, internationally famous personality. So get benefit and best of luck. Thank you.